Hello everyone, welcome back. It's me Sonia from Inner Order and Joy. Here is Ram, here is Shiva. So in this video we are going to unbox the science experiment kit and my kids are going to do these science experiments. So let's get started.
I'll open it. I know how to do this. Even.
Dada will help you, okay? Wait kar. Okay, take it.
Okay, these are all the stuff.
What do we have to do?
Build it first.
How do we build it?
Well, we're gonna build it
Ha!
because there's instructions.
Wait.
Is it empty?
Yeah.
Show me the box.
Show the box. Okay, so those are all the stuff in the box, and
Yeah.
so all these stuff here we need to build it on this like.
Can you just arrange them so that I can show what all we got in that? Arrange them nicely. Alright guys, so Shiva is arranging them nicely so that we can show you what all we got in that box. That science experiment
These are all
kit.
the stuff.
Just give me 1 second. We got this, instructions. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, okay.
Okay, so Ram, I'm gonna help you in building this. Okay. I don't think there's any instructions in here, so we're just gonna have to look at it.
Maybe you can look at the picture on the box.
Yeah, there's some.
Picture over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, these are the.
So you have to build it like that, right?
Yes.
Okay.
We have to build the same way how they build it.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright guys, so Shiva helped Ram in setting up the science experiment kit. Now they are all set to do the first science experiment. Are you ready, Shiva?
Yes.
This is how it looks like.
Oh yeah, this is how it looks. Cool, right Ram?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, which experiment are you doing, Shiva? नहीं तो सर कर रहा हूँ, Shiva. It's
You know
okay.
pouring activities?
Yeah, घाल.
Done.
Okay. Of water with the measuring cup and pour it into test tube 2.
Okay.
This is test tube 2. Let me just put some more 30 ml.
बनवा?
Pour the acid powder into test tube 1. You can add a drop of dye to the solution as well.
Okay.
Stir
First,
the,
yeah.
stir the mix.
Okay. Let Ram do it.
Okay. Oh, this is blue.
Okay. Bas.
No, it's actually red.
Yeah, and then you can stir.
Okay, now stir.
I'm still.
With this.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Pour the base powder into test tube 2. Okay, so test tube 2.
ठीक है दे.
You can add a drop of dye to the solution as well. Put it all.
It's okay. Let's have the same color dye. Put a color dye, same color dye.
Now put it.
Mix.
Mix it, make it quick. Mix it.
Ram के देख. Okay.
Pour the solution from test tube 2 to test tube 1. Watch what happens. Okay. Test tube. Oh, what the?
It's okay. Wait.
Oh my god!
It's okay.
All of it?
Oh my
बोल wait again बोल.
Oh my god!
Oh my
हाथ काट.
I didn't think that was gonna happen.
Hello बोल. Yeah, जोर से बोल.
Exploded.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It exploded.
जोर से बोल.
This doesn't say it's gonna explode.
Yeah, that is what science experiment. You will know.
What?
Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, Rama. Yeah,
What?
you can pour it back. See the bubbles?
Oh my god, how did this even happen? I never.
Shiva, you hold it and show me the
It's
bubbles.
not gonna go off. Oh, look at it. It looks like
Bubble.
Sprite.
Green spike. Oh, red spike.
What happened?
It exploded.
A reaction.
A reaction?
Reaction.
A
Could we do
chemical,
another one?
a chemical reaction,
Could we
right?
do another one?
Did you expect that?
Yeah.
Yeah, could you?
No.
No, we didn't. I'm not expect that.
How did it happen, Rama?
Oh my god.
Repeat that after.
No.
It's okay.
Wait,
give
wait,
it.
wait. I wanna do something. Real quick. I just want to mess. Let's put it here.
Hello. What are you doing?
I'm just gonna wait.
Shiva.
Let me see what happens if I add water to it.
Oh, you want to check? Okay, ये देख ये कर जरा.
I need to do it fast so it still has its fizz.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
okay.
So you're checking with water now?
What's it? It does nothing.
It does nothing?
I just want to.
Can you show me your palter? Dekhing mein. और आगे तू. Be careful, Rama. Wait.
Could you do another one, Ma?
Okay, wait. So Dada is checking with water. But nothing happened, right?
Yeah, nothing.
Alright guys, bye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Alright.
Bye, people.
Alright guys, bye. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.
Take care.
Always.
Always stay joyful and stay humble.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Go do it.
Right?
We should have just done it on here. What were we doing?
You did it on that, right?
Yeah, we did it on that, but then now this isn't gonna go away.
It's fine. We can wash it.
Bye bye.
Bye.
I hope you enjoyed this video.
I